going down, y'all? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. And if you're new, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely get ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you can stay tuned in and never tune out. Alright guys, sorry for the lighting change, just because the light is behind me and I'm using my chair as a little video recorder setup kind of thing majig. But today I'm going to be giving you a vlog. Right now I'm at my chiropractor. I'm just quickly doing this intro so I can go in, get my massage, and come right back out, because on today's vlog, guys, we finna barbecue, okay? But I'll be back right after my appointment, guys. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. But we at the park, guys, and we got what we got on the grill. We got some steak, we got some salmon, we got some chicken.
Well, the steak, dogs, and patties is done. The salmon is on the grill right now, and then the chicken is last, so that the coals aren't too hot for the chicken, so the chicken don't cook too fast.
Right.
Chicken is the entree.
So it's really nice today. It's kind of breezy, so I might put my jacket on, but
It's not as hot as yesterday.
right.
So where's your jacket? You talking about putting it on?
Oh, it's in the damn car.
Exactly.
I gotta go to the damn car. Hey.
Yes.
Say hi, best friend.
Hi, best friend. Best friend.
Goodbye.
Best friend. Best friend. Just a little appetizer. I already ate my steak, so we got the dogs,
Okay, we got the dough,
the veggie patties, and one steak.
Ooh, I hear the salmon bubbling.
Put it in there.
Did you put the butter in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you put the lemon in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you put a little bit too much lemon, but okay, cool.
Okay. Should I season it up a little bit?
Yes, you should.
I think it's done. Honestly, it looks like. Picture and send it to me. Don't get my toes down. That's how people be taking pictures. They be like, hell about to burn their face. Alright, let me take it off and then get the chicken ready. Cause we gotta get the chicken ready. I saved some ice because I didn't know if you wanted to have it with your drink.
Oh yeah, I do. Once I go get my jacket. When the salmon is just so juicy, look at it. Just juicy. Fresh off the grill. Put the joint on the side.
With that lemon? Look, you gotta get a piece of the lemon.
Yes, look at it. On that note, I'm finna eat, okay? I know, he's looking like right at me. Recording him looking right at me, like. In a moment, baby. In a moment. So we're done with the barbecue, guys. Look, we're packing up. There come best friend, because we finna leave. We had fun. The kids had fun. I don't know what we're gonna do next, but it really wasn't much that I did on this vlog, but I'm gonna try to put a little something together for y'all, since I haven't really posted anything.
His feet is tired. It's very green.
Check out the kicks today, you know. Alright guys, so we are leaving the park. And I think I'm just finna head home. So this may not be the end of the vlog. I'm not for sure yet. But we have fun. We ate good. The kids have fun. Now we finna see what else we can get into. But I'm finna drive, y'all. So stay motherfucking tuned. We have pulled up to that ice cream spot. We're gonna go in here and get us some ice cream. Need some Rocky Road. Some good old Rocky Road with some extra peanuts on it. It's always gonna be my favorite. I'm never gonna change. Comment down below what your favorite ice cream is. And if you love Rocky Road, give this a thumbs up as well. I'll be right back, guys, and I'm gonna show you how bomb it looks, okay? Bomb it looks, okay? So, update, guys. I didn't get to close out the vlog on Friday. It is Sunday, actually, right now. And as you can see, my face is extremely swollen. I got my wisdom tooth taken out yesterday, and it did not go well. So, I'm actually in a lot, and I mean a lot of pain. Sorry, I'm trying not to cry right now, but I'm actually usually pretty strong, but this pain, guys, is like a 20, okay? And then on top of that, you know, just going through a couple other health problems that I'm trying to get through. So I wanted to come on here and share with you guys. I didn't want to come on here crying, but it's too late for that. So I haven't done this before, so this is new for me to open up a little bit about, you know, life and depression. You know, sometimes it's really hard to be strong all the time and put on, you know, a happy face for everybody. And lately it's just been getting harder and harder to do. So I wanted to take this time out and just kind of let you guys in. I know I really haven't done that. I've expressed, you know, I've dealt with depression. Right now it's getting a lot harder. You know, and it's not easy when it's, you know, things happening. It's not easy when things are happening, you know, back to back. And that's honestly been my struggle. That's honestly been my struggle for a while. That's why I haven't really been on YouTube. I've been kind of on and off YouTube for a while. You know, fighting with my own demons. I hid it. I hid it for a long time. You know, having a disability and dealing with other health problems or health things that may come up, it gets hard. It gets really hard to try to, you know, you make yourself be happy so you don't, you know, give into it, and you put on these smiles, and you know, you never really know what people going through unless you ask or unless they let you in. So right now, I am letting you guys know that this is what I'm dealing with at the moment. You may see a lot of smiles, but this is me. And this is what I'm going through right now. And it hasn't been easy. But for anybody who's going through depression, you know, just keep going. This shall too will pass. And, you know, just pray for me, you guys, because I really need it at the moment. But I'm going to go ahead and try to finish my food with this face hurting. and it's extremely hard to brush my teeth, to eat, to talk. I just took my medicine, so I'm a little bit better with pain-wise, but I just really wanted to close out this vlog. I didn't want it just to kind of sparsely stop and not tell you guys why. Yeah, sometimes, you know, it gets hard when you try to mask everything, hide it from my family, you know, hide it from my friends and people that's closest to me, because it was just always something that I had to do as a kid, because I did not really know how to express myself the way that I should have, especially when it came to my disability. It was really hard. It took a long time for me to figure out and accept who I was and appreciate who I was as a person, you know, without feeling like I needed to be something that I was not. So now in my adult age, I still tend to mask everything. And, you know, people see that Shay's always happy, Shay's always smiling, Shay's, you know, always goofy and making a way for herself. And, you know, people say, oh, you're an inspiration, you know, but they don't really see, or they don't really get to see. I'm gonna start crying again. They don't really get to see, you know, what really goes on sometimes. And that's because I mask it, and that's because, you know, I try not to make my problems somebody else's problems, because everybody else has problems, you know. So this is me right now. I've been really hot and cold. Shake it off than other days. I didn't want to be one of those YouTubers that sat here and cried, but sometimes you really need an outlet, and sometimes that outlet is, you know, people who are from the outside world, who want to listen to you, who, you know, want to make sure that you're okay. But when it comes to YouTube, this shit is not easy. And when you deal with depression and then you try to be a YouTuber, sometimes it just does not mix. So sometimes it's okay to let people in. And I wanted to give you guys, you know, a true raw, and I mean raw version. A true raw version of me that I don't show people. I don't know, guys. Trying to figure out life. Sometimes you just get tired of having to be strong all the time, and that doesn't mean that I'm giving up. That I will never give up on myself, and I would never give up on life, and I would never give up on the things that I want to do for myself. But you get kind of tired of being strong, and I've been strong. I've been trying to be strong, I should say. I've been trying to be strong. Be strong all my life. Sometimes it gets hard. The moment my life changed, I've been trying to be strong. So, for anybody out there that's dealing with depression, I just want to let you guys know that you're not by yourself. And that there are people in your corner. And there are people who understand. But just don't give up. Don't give up on life, okay? There's so much to see. There's so much to do. I'm going to go ahead and sign off, guys. And ice this face of mine because I can't believe I'm on here crying and nose all snotty and face all swollen, looking like one side look like a chipmunk. Comment down below how you guys are doing. I want to check on you guys too, just as you guys want to check on me. And let me know if you have any encouraging words. I would appreciate it a lot. I'm signing off. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next vlog.